Welcome to Master Your Life Academy. In this module, you'll learn vital safety and emergency preparedness skills for your home, work, school, and everyday life. Each video provides practical, easy-to-follow steps, helping you feel confident and ready to tackle any situation. Remember, these lessons are for education. For hands-on emergencies or medical advice, always consult a certified professional. Let's build your safety skills together. Preparedness starts with the right supplies and communication plans. Build an emergency kit with the basics. Water, 1 gallon per person, per day for 3 days. Non-perishable food, flashlight, batteries, first aid kit, personal hygiene items, copies of important documents, extra medications, and cash. Include extra chargers or power banks for phones. Add blankets, sturdy shoes, a whistle, duct tape, and any special needs for children, pets, or elderly family members. Keep your kit in an accessible location and check expiration dates on food, water, and batteries twice a year. Create a communication plan in advance. Choose an out-of-town contact for everyone to call and share status, since local lines may be overloaded or down. Write down key phone numbers and keep copies in your kit. Decide on meeting locations, one nearby and one outside your neighborhood. And make sure all family or team members know these spots. Practice texting or using emergency alert apps, as texts can get through when voice calls can't. Know which local radio stations or websites provide emergency updates. Store copies of your plan online and physically, and review with everyone twice a year. With a well-stocked emergency kit and clear communication steps, you'll stay connected and ready, no matter what comes your way.